The ideal tile size for kitchen floor ceramic tile installations depends on the room dimensions, traffic patterns, and visual goals. Choose mid to large format tiles for most kitchens because they reduce grout lines, speed installation, and simplify cleaning. For a typical kitchen, tiles at least 12 inches by 12 inches work well. Larger tiles like 12 inches by 24 inches or 24 inches by 24 inches create a more seamless, contemporary look, but ensure the slab flatness is within tolerance to avoid lippage. Measure the kitchen and mock up tile layouts with chalk or paper templates to see how cuts fall near cabinets and islands. Aim to avoid slim edge cuts under 3 inches wide because those look fragile and are harder to set. For small kitchens under 100 square feet, consider slightly smaller tiles so the space does not feel overpowering, while open-plan kitchens tolerate much larger formats and even rectified edges for minimal grout joints. Use a medium bed mortar and proper backer board or cement board over wood subfloors and follow manufacturer recommendations for tile size to substrate condition, especially for large format porcelain, which often requires thin set and back buttering. When transitioning to adjacent rooms, plan thresholds and expansion joints so tile size and grout line spacing flow naturally and do not create awkward small pieces at doorways. Common mistakes include choosing tiles that are too small, which increases cleaning work and makes busy grout lines that trap dirt. Fix this by selecting tiles at least 12 inches square or larger and using slightly wider, sealed grout for easier maintenance. Another issue is selecting oversized tiles for a subfloor that is not flat, which results in lippage and cracked tiles. Solve this by verifying floor flatness and using a self-leveling underlayment or correcting the substrate before installing large format tiles. A third frequent problem is poor layout planning that leaves narrow edge cuts near cabinetry and islands. Avoid this by dry laying, shifting the starting line to center a run, or using paper templates to ensure cut pieces measure no less than 3 inches where visible. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project examples and advice related to kitchen tile sizing so we can find options that fit your home and budget. We also help contractors showcase work, find leads, and participate in our discussion community where we exchange practical tips and real project experiences.